In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use Python in Google Sheets. We'll start by bringing Python right into your spreadsheet. Open the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Python Editor for Google Sheets, then click Install. Approve the permissions so the editor can read and write to your spreadsheets. This simply lets the add-on interact with your sheet, which is essential for sending data to Python and writing results back. Once it's installed, head to the Extensions menu in your sheet and open the Python editor. You'll see a side panel appear. Think of this as a live coding console that sits next to your data, so you can run Python without leaving Google Sheets. Before we write any code, make sure your data is ready. I'm using a simple table with products and sales numbers. Include clear headers and ensure numeric columns are stored as numbers, not text. Clean data helps Python generate accurate results. Now tell the editor what to analyze. Click, pick input cells in the side panel, and highlight the block of data you want to use, headers included. The editor will treat that selection as a variable your code can access, typically named input data. This is how your spreadsheet range flows into Python. Next, paste in a short script that uses the pandas library to summarize the data. Here's the exact code to use. Import pandas as pd-df field p.dataframe, input data, output equals df.describe chiaste reset index. Values a list. Print out output. Here's what it does. It converts the selected cells into a pandas data frame named def. The df.describe command calculates key statistics for each numeric column, things like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, quartiles, and maximum, instantly. Reset index turns those row labels into a column, so the results are well structured. Values.toList formats everything as a plain list of lists, perfect for writing back to the sheet. The print statement sends that output to the editor so it can place it into cells. We don't want the results stuck in the sidebar, so click. Pick Output Cell and choose an empty starting cell like D1. Make sure there's enough space to the right and below so nothing important gets overwritten. Now, hit Run. In a moment, Python analyzes your selection and writes the results directly into the sheet. You'll see the count, mean, and a spread of values from minimum to maximum, plus helpful quartiles. If you tweak your data, just rerun to refresh the summary. And if the output spills over existing content, move the starting cell or insert a few blank columns first. That's it. Professional grade analysis, right inside Google Sheets with Python.